Put your hands up.
What happens when BMW takes the sporty 3 Series, adds more space, more comfort, and a touch of luxury? You get the BMW 320i GT. Today we're checking out this unique Gran Turismo to see if it's the perfect balance between performance, practicality, and premium driving. From the design and interior comfort to performance and everyday usability, is this underrated BMW worth your money? Stay tuned. So this is the BMW 320 GT. All right, it's a hatchback. Well, it's a sedan car, but the boot is not that big, which still is all right. The car is designed for speed, aerodynamics, for sport. It's a very, very beautiful car. Here you've got the grille as usual, the BMW grille, looking in all its majestic beauty. You've got the lens as usual, and it sits on 18 inches. All right, so we've got 18-inch tires, and as you go, you're moving. It's in white, pearl white, and you've got your 18-inch BMW tires there. Amazing car. The design, aerodynamics, everything was designed perfectly well. Then you're opening the boot, you just click there, the boot opens up, and you've got a very big boot, right, which will load up quite a lot inside. And then when you're closing the boot, you've got a button there, you press that, it shuts down on its own. Lovely, it closes like a lacquer. This is a very, very nice car for those guys that enjoy speed and that enjoy having a very good looking vehicle. And now this is the inside of the BMW. Beautiful car. The dash. Oh, this one has got a lot of errors, but still the point is made for how nice this car is. The interior, it's got the bucket seats, right? So those seats will nicely hug you and you'll be in place. Right. The dash is beautiful, and then the infotainment system, and then the AC as well. You've got all the controls, which is typical of a BMW. So yeah, the car has got a lot of space as usual. German engineering at its best. So now that's the interior of the car. It's got your aircon, right, and then you've got speakers, and you've got tweeters. Very, very nice car. All right, so now we're gonna start again. Let's push to start. Okay, beautiful. You can even hear the sound. Amazing, amazing. I really like this car. Okay, all right. Now, in a typical BMW fashion, the inside is amazing as usual. If you check, there's your infotainment system, very top notch. Now it's in reverse mode. You've got this lovely gear here. I like this very, very much. Then you've got the knob. So this is what controls your thing. Right now it's ringing because we're in reverse and we need to make a turn. So I'm just gonna reverse into the place. Look at it. Using the siren. Yeah. And then we moving into place. This is definitely a car worth having, and as you can see, the measurements are there. This is obviously coming in standard nowadays, but it is a beautiful thing to have. And then when you're in place, you just put it into neutral, and then you press your push button to stop. Alright, and there it is. So the interior of the car. Alright, now we put it in gear. Nice. We're good to go. look at the infotainment system as we do that. Okay, now when driving this car, what you find is that it is a 2-liter. All right, so it is 2-liter, but again, because of the technology that is there today, you find that the fuel consumption isn't as bad as you would expect. Again, when there's a problem, it will give you that chime that you're hearing in the background there. So this one's got driving stabilization needs to be corrected, and there's a whole bunch of other error messages there, but that doesn't impact the drive at the moment. Obviously, in higher speeds, it will then be a problem. But again, the technology in this car has got a lot of safety features and controlling mechanisms. I mean, it hits 0 to 100 is it, if I'm not mistaken? But overall, the drive is a very, very good one, and you will not be disappointed if you're a fan of speed and agility when driving BMW. All right, and there we are in a typical BMW fashion. Look at that. Look at the dash. Don't worry about the error messages. Those are between me and the car. But the performance is what we're looking at today. This is a beautiful vehicle. BMW, as usual, has gone above and beyond with this car. I mean, the drive is smooth, the suspension is amazing. It is really a good car. The infotainment system is easy enough to use, surprisingly. I would expect it to be difficult, but being a BMW enthusiast myself, you find that I am not really phased by the knob, because I am so used to it. I've always liked BMWs, and this one is no exception. I mean, it's simple to use. I mean, the controls are very, very simple. You move between, you press the middle button, media, menu, and then you're just scrolling through it. This is a very, very simple and very easy to use. So that's the interior. You've got the lights, you've got airbags, then you've got the back seats. Back seats are very comfortable, seats people perfectly, and with the speed that you'll be moving at in these cars, I believe that this is an amazing look. All right, so we're gonna go. And there's the BMW chime as usual. Everyone knows the BMW chime. If you're a BMW fan, that's one that shows you that yes, I am sitting in a BMW. Beautiful, beautiful vehicle.